Welcome to Sami Vibes. Today we are venturing into the heart of ancient Egypt, exploring the mysteries of their creation myth. Join us as we uncover the story of Atum, the creator god, and the Ennead, the divine family that shaped the world. Ancient Egyptian mythology is filled with gods, powerful deities that personified natural forces and cosmic elements. But one story stands at the beginning of it all, the creation of the universe. According to Egyptian belief, it all started with Atum, the god of creation, and the cosmic forces that came together to form the world as we know it. In the beginning, there was nothing but none, the infinite, formless waters of chaos. From this void, Atom emerged, born of his own will, without mother or father. He was the first god, the creator who arose from the primordial ocean, bringing order to the chaos. His emergence from the waters marks the birth of the world itself. Atom's first act of creation was the birth of two gods, Shu and Tefnut. These were his children, but they were born in a unique way. Atom spat them out from his mouth. Shu, the god of air, represented dry land and the breath of life, while Tefnut, the goddess of moisture, embodied water and the nurturing forces of life. Their emergence brought balance to the world, air and moisture, the essential elements for life. Shu and Tefnut then gave birth to two more gods, Jeb, the god of the earth, and Nut, the goddess of the sky. These siblings were initially trapped in an embrace, but Shu, the same god of air, intervened, pushing Nut above him to form the sky and separating Jeb below too from the earth. This divine separation created the physical world we know, with Nut above and Jeb below. From Jeb and Nut came the final generation of gods, the famous Ennead. Nut gave birth to Osiris, the god of life and death, and his sister and wife Isis, the goddess of magic and wisdom. They also had two other children, Set, the god of chaos and disorder, and Nephthys, the goddess of night and protection. Together these gods formed a powerful family that ruled over the realms of life, death, and everything in between. The Ennead, the group of nine gods that emerged from Atom's creation, each had a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the universe. Osiris brought fertility and life, while his brother Set brought destruction and chaos. Isis used her wisdom to protect and heal, and Nephthys aided in the rituals of death and rebirth. Through their actions, they governed the cosmos and ensured the ongoing cycle of life, death, and resurrection. Atom's creation was just the beginning. He set the stage for the great pantheon of Egyptian gods that would shape the universe. Atom, as the sun god, continued to play a key role in the daily cycle of life, as his power was associated with the rising and setting of the sun. Every day, Atom's journey across the sky symbolized the eternal cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth. The creation myth of Atom and Ennead is a powerful story of divine beings shaping the world, creating the natural order, and maintaining balance. It reflects the deep spiritual connection the ancient Egyptians had with their gods and the universe. What do you think of this ancient tale of creation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from ancient mythologies, right here on Sami Vibes. Catch up on our previous episodes and stay tuned for the next journey into the world of mythology. Thank you.